this game has no update. Fire Alarm Town. Don't ask why there's floating fire alarms, because he doesn't. I don't want to say it. So as you can see, there's new fire alarms. There's these fire drills, and they're pretty good. And he put new pole stations up and new fire drills, and I was added in the game, I was kind of added in the game, and there was supposed to be a hotel there where the school is, but that idea was scrapped. I'm an update planner, and I hope. So, that's me. I want to see how much. Did you change my, Gatorade price? Hell no, I'm not paying $5. Alright, let's just test these. Alright. System reset. So let's just walk out. Alright, let's test these ones. The school is so dark I can't even see anything. I hear something annoying. Don't know what game I'm gonna play after. Forgot the reset key. Damn it! No. The update that it was a mini update. It wasn't that big. He doing? Hang on, I'll be right back. I just gotta tell him I'm making a video. Guys, it's Lift. What's up, Lift? Oh. Lift just got scammed. Wow, that's sad. I got a red fox. What does he want? For what? For what? For what? A demon. Like, what pet, I mean? What pet? What pet? I'm gonna say, by the way, the video was... Alright, let's just test. Don't open the fire. Don't open this door. If you guys play this game, don't open the door, okay? I think Lift's gonna come over here and open. No, please, Lift. Don't open this door, please, Lift. Lift, don't open the door. Lift, don't open that door. Yes. Don't open the door. No. Oh no, guys, cover your ears. Warning, cover your ears. It's okay, God. Oh my gosh, okay. I swear to God, if he just runs over to the door and opens it, I'm gonna freaking crash out. Ah! Ow! Oh! I'm sorry, viewers. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I gave you a warning at least. Just, guys, when you play the game, don't open the door because you're gonna blow up. No! That's it. You're not opening the door a second time. Bro! Ugh! Swear to God, if I bump into please don't. Oh, no! Okay, good. Don't even open that. Because my ears are ready to blow up. I already have a demon crash out. Left, really. If he made every door emergency door out, crash out. Ah! I'm gonna hide from him. Left. Ah! Stop. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. He's. Yeah, I'm sorry. He's crazy. Dang it. Oh, there we go. He's so crazy. No, you're not pulling that. No. You want to pull it then? Pull it, buddy. Why does he have to do everything? I'm a hard. Guys, we're gonna play Grow Garden now, and then I'm gonna we'll be right back. I'm gonna beat up Lift. I'm gonna punch him 2 times and meet you guys in Grow Garden. I'll punch you. Get over here! Sam, I swear to God, if you have trash seeds, I will. Sam. No! My ears. I swear to God, if I don't get anything good out of the seed pack, I will do 200 crash outs. Where is my seed pack? Where the hell? Bro. Congrats. Cool. I don't care. Stupid stone bite! I hate you, stone bite. That's my second crash out. Did you guys see that? I passed it. I literally passed it. Oh, how the hell that happens? Grow Garden is just a rage bait game. Jandel, you're crazy. Imagine Jandel just joins right now. That'd be crazy. The lightning rod. Who the hell's gonna craft a lightning rod? So stupid. Where are my blueberries? Oh, I forgot. I got rid of a bunch. Stupid A, I don't care. Freaking A, I don't care. All my friends have a freaking Frostlight thingy majiggy, and all I have is the trash seeds. My garden's so trash. He has 2 bone blossoms. Freaking A, bro. I'm having 2 crash outs. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just having way too many crash outs. Please don't let us go viral, please. No, I hate you, Blair. No, I'm not gonna help you research. I want me a second bone blossom. This lifts a big back. I hope he doesn't watch this. I hope Wolf doesn't watch this. If he does, I'm gonna... you stupid... Jandel, you're crazy. Like, Jandel's really crazy. Alright guys, that's the end of the video, because I'm gonna crash out after this, have a good day, and make sure you like and subscribe, and please comment, please, just leave a comment, before I crash out more, ow, and, have a good day, peace out. Oh, damn it, ow. The hell was that? Oh, that's just my pet dinosaur. Alright, guys, have a good day and say bye, Lift. Lift. End of video. Oopsie. For a crash out. Alright, see you guys. I'm about to crash out pretty soon. Say bye, Lift. Say bye. Bye, guys, before I crash out. Oh, no.